Premium quality, budget-friendly. This is brand new TopXGun FP300E agricultural drone. FP300E is with compact drone body and excellent performance, 30 kilograms maximum payload, 30-liter spraying tank, 45-liter spreading tank, high-strength aviation aluminum frame, durable and sturdy. Classic quadcopter design, foldable arms for easy transportation. Operable by one person, flexible operation, easy maintenance. Overall IP67 protection level can be flushed directly with water. FP300E is equipped with a new generation flight control system with processing power increased by 300%. Modular design, less interference, easier maintenance. With IP67 protection, FP300E resists pesticide and fertilizer corrosion. Multiple safety features ensure safer, more reliable operations. From open plains to rugged hills, FP300E handles various terrains. Automotive-grade 4D imaging radar, smart sensing, precise and efficient flights. 150-meter long-range detection, scans terrain and obstacles in advance for smoother flights. Stable stop at 10 meters per second flight speed for upgraded safety. Built for day and night work, it maintains high efficiency all the time. 7-inch HD smart remote control, long battery life for all-day operation. With upgraded low-light full-color FPV, enhanced visibility, clear image quality even at night. FP300E supports both spraying and spreading modes. Spreading mode. New SP5E centrifugal spreader adapts to different sizes and densities of materials, such as seeds, bait, fertilizer, etc. Uses roller discharging for precise and uniform spreading. Powerful centrifugal spreader, 10 meters maximum spreading width, up to 100 kilograms per minute feeding speed, up to 1.5 tons per hour comprehensive operation efficiency. In spraying mode, FP300E is equipped with dual wind pressure centrifugal nozzles. As an industry-first design, it combines the advantages of both pressure and centrifugal nozzles. Even in fine atomization, 30 to 500 micrometers adjustable droplet size range. 10 liters per minute maximum flow rate, maximum 16.5 hectare per hour comprehensive operation efficiency. Dual channel high flow metering pump, high precision, corrosion resistance, and reliable. FP300E adopts a high-efficiency power solution. 2 batteries, 1 charger. Lightweight and portable. 20,000 mAh high-performance battery. 4,500 watt intelligent charger. Quick charging. Meeting the demands of continuous operations. Economical, efficient, and easy to use. All in one. TopXGun FP300E, your smart and reliable farming partner.